Lighthouse. It's gorgeous, except for that big boomer out there waiting for somebody. Not waiting on us. We're not going. Do you know what an anvil is?
Yeah.
See the anvil on the...
Yeah.
That's the direction that the weather is going. The anvil points to the direction it travels. You can do all of that without a computer. Okay, so we've got a larger red buoy there and a standard red buoy there, and then a red day beacon or day marker on a piling. So if we're in deep water, we're good to go up there and put those reds on our starboard and head downtown.